Hello everyone, I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how you can record a screen video of your presentation while you're narrating it. This would be one of the options you can do for the project that you're currently working on. So I want to use QuickTime Player. One of the things I can do when I have my Google slide presentation up and ready to go is I can come down here to the bottom where I have my tray. You may have QuickTime Player in your tray, or you can come over here to the Finder tool. And if you click on Applications in this column, you should be able to scroll down and under Q, find QuickTime Player. You're going to double click on it so that, and I can just minimize this here, so that up on the top it'll say QuickTime Player. You're going to click on File and come down to where it says New Screen Recording. All right. Now, once you have New Screen Recording clicked, this little thing will show up. I always pull this middle one down and check and see which microphone is on. I want it to be my internal microphone. And the bottom one here that says options, you can have it so that it shows your mouse clicks or not. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to leave it clicked. And then I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to click on the red button. You also, while I'm here, I want to show you, you can pull this down on audio all the way down to the left-hand side so that you don't get any reverb while you're doing the recording. So I'm going to click on the red button here. In the middle of the screen, it'll say click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen. So at this point, if you just wanted to record part of the screen, you could go ahead and you could create the little window for that. I want to do the entire full screen, so I'm just going to click here in the middle. And once I click in the middle, I am now recording. The way I can tell I'm recording is up here, there's going to be a little circle with a square inside. If that is dark black, okay, then it is recording. So currently, right now, this is recording everything that I'm saying and whatever's on the screen. So let's go to present. When I click on present, I'm going to go to full present mode. It's now recording everything. So now I could begin my presentation. So you guys are doing a little presentation on Civil War research. You could be talking. You can be moving through your slides. Don't go ahead and just read all the text on it, but just go ahead and do your presentation. All right. When you are finished with your presentation, go ahead and click on Escape in the upper top corner on the left of your keyboard. It says ESC. All right. You'll then be able to see all your stuff again. You're going to need to go up here to the very top and click on this circle with the square inside. That will stop the video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to show you a preview and you can play it of what your video looks like. So what you're seeing here is a video of what I was doing and showing you how it works. I can advance it here if I want to. All right. I could turn up the volume if I wanted to so that I could, listen to it and everything. I'm going to pause it for right now. This is the preview of your video. It is not saved yet though. So the final step up here is go to File, okay, go down to Save, and you can save it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use my last name. That's what I'm going to recommend you guys do. Use your last name. So my last name is Langhorst, and then I'm going to put Civil War Project. Now down here it's going to ask where you want to save it. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. You could save it if you wanted to. You could change this to your documents or whatever. I'm just going to keep it on my desktop and click Save. All right, so at that point, it has now saved it as a video file on my desktop. That's what you guys would ultimately turn in. Now, doing this method, you'll have a little bit at the beginning of the video where you're just kind of like setting it up and everything. That's fine. If you want to pull it into something like iMovie and edit it, you can do that. But I'm not going to take any points off or, do anything deduction wise if you guys have that little part at the beginning of your video. Okay? So that's how you would do a Google slide presentation that you would narrate and then turn in as your 2-minute Civil War research project. All right. Thanks, guys. Good luck.